Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next topic of a same unit. This is called as what here? The introductions of polymer unit number 15. Clear? It is also called as the biomolecules. Clear? What? It is also called as the micromolecules. Okay. Now we discuss here the what the question is called as the explain the process of vulcanization of rubber. Question asked in examination. Write a short note on vulcanization of rubber. Okay. What is this process? What is the application of this process or uses of this process or advantage of this process we discuss here. Okay. Okay. So now first of all, rubber is come from the nature. Okay. It is come from the lattice form. Okay. Now it is soft in nature and less tensile strength and toughness. Okay. So to change the what elasticity, toughness and resistivity. So we added some chemical to change the property. Which properties? Physical properties of a rubber. This called as a vulcanization of rubber. Okay. So define the vulcanization of rubber. So the process in which when natural rubber, which rubber? When natural rubber, or it is also called as a polyisoprene rubber, is reacted with or added some amount of sulfur. Sulfur is a chemical compound. Added a sulfur in presence of ZBX. It is a one type of a compound. Z stands for zinc, B stands for butyl, and X indicate what? Xanthate. Zinc, butyl, xanthate. What we get? We get a which rubber? Vulcanized rubber. What we get? Vulcanized rubber. How this form? It is prepared when a isoprene. What? Or polyisoprene. This is called what here? Structure of polyisoprene. We discussed yesterday. Structure of isoprene and how to prepare polyisoprene. So when isoprene added inside here sulfur. Why added the sulfur? Because we change the properties of natural rubber. Which properties? Tensile strength, hardness, clear, then elasticity. So what we get? We get a vulcanized rubber called as a vulcanization of rubber. Okay, clear? The process in which when natural rubber is react with a sulfur in presence of ZBX, zinc, butyl, xanthate and some amount of heat, it forms the vulcanized rubber called as vulcanization of rubber. The properties of vulcanized rubber is higher or different as compared to natural rubber. Clear? Okay. Now, first of all, the process of vulcanization of rubber discovered by Charles Goodyear is the name of scientist in 1839. Okay. The process of vulcanized rubber first time discovered by Charles Goodyear in 1839. Clear? So question asked in examination, explain the process of vulcanization. So the process in which we change the physical properties of a rubber when it means a rubber, natural rubber react with the sulfur in presence of ZBX to form the vulcanized rubber. This structure also important. अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछता है आपको तो रिएक्शन पूरी यहाँ तक देनी है. ठीक है? Now we take the second question. Polythene. You know polythene? Polythene is an example of which polymer? Addition polymer. Which polymer? Addition polymer. So what is a polythene? So polythene, it prepared from the ethene. What? Ethene. Ethene is the IUPAC name. and the common name is ethylene. Both structure is same, name change. Common name called ethylene and the IUPAC name called as ethene. What? Ethene. Clear? So the structure of polyethylene what? CH2 single bond CH2 and here N. N indicate what? Polymers. And before N indicate what? Monomers. So it is called the structure of polyethylene. It is prepared from which substance? Monomer of ethene to change into polyethylenes. Clear? Okay. Now polyethylene have two types. Polyethylene have two types depend upon the what? Depend upon the resistivity, depend upon the toughness or hardness. So depend on these properties, the polyethylene have two types. First is called as a low density polyethylene. In short, LDP or LDPE means low density polyethylene or low density polyethylene. दो नेम है बेटा, LDP या LDPE. This stands for ethylene. Okay. So what is how to prepare LDP? LDP means low density polyethylene. So it is a monomer of a ethene. When the ethene is react or will be polymerized by in presence of trace. Trace means small. Trace means small amount of oxygen or H2O2 called as hydrogen peroxide in presence of these and heated 350 to 370 Kelvin temperature and 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure to form the word polyethylene. Polyethylene LDP, low density polyethylene. Clear? Okay. Now, what is the properties and uses of LDP? So, first of all, we discuss the properties of LDPE or LDP, low density polyethylene or low density polyethylene, LDPE. Okay. Now we take the properties here. Okay, which properties? Physical properties as well as chemical properties of a LDP. Okay. Now physically, the LDP is tough as compared to the what? HDP. It's a tough. Okay. Then flexible. LDP is tough, flexible. Then what? Now we take here the different types of chemical inert. It means when this LDP contact with any chemical, it does not take a reaction. That's why it's called chemically inert. Inert means those substances does not take in the chemical reactions called as what? Chemical inert. Okay. Now second, poor conductor. It is poor means the bad conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. Now it is all about our properties and also some properties given in books. Okay. Clear? Now take the uses. Question आता है आपको ये write down the uses and properties of LDP or HDP. तो आपको याद रखना है सिंपल टॉपिक जो आपके वर्ड्स में लिखना है इसको. ठीक है. Now uses. So the LDP are used in pipe, household pipe or any irrigation pipe. ठीक है. Pipes, comma, then electrical cables, then what sheets, plastic sheets, then squares bottles, जो bottle आती है, then and different types of thing we use in the household purposes. ठीक है. Now next question. HDP or HDP, high density polyethylene. It is the second types of polyethylene. First LDP, second HDP, high density polyethylene. So how to make the HDP? Same here. The monomer are used. What here? Monomer are used ethene. CH2 double bond CH2 called ethene and indicate monomer. When ethene is but here the one type of catalyst. The special catalysts are used to prepare the LDP as compared to what LDP. अगर आपको HDP पॉलीमर्स को तैयार करना है, प्रिपेयर करना है, तो स्पेशल जो कैटलिस्ट यूज होता है कौन सा होता है इसमें? द कैटलिस्ट कॉल्ड एज द वन टाइप ऑफ अ साइंटिस्ट जिगलर-नाट्टा कैटलिस्ट. Ziegler, that is the name of scientist. He prepared this catalyst, that why it is called as the Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So what is the formula of this Ziegler-Natta catalyst? So the name is called as what? Aluminium trichloride, aluminium trichloride, titanium, aluminium tri, what we take here? या फिर सिंपल में आपको याद रखना नाम कंपाउंड का, टेट्रा इथाइल एल्यूमिनियम, टेट्रा इथाइल एल्यूमिनियम, टाइटेनियम टेट्राक्लोराइड. अगर आप जो है तो ये कंपाउंड का स्ट्रक्चर विद नेम अगर आप सर्च करेंगे गूगल में तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन आता है सीटी में आपको, विच इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ Ziegler-Natta catalyst और द व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस गिवन स्ट्रक्चर. तो आपको स्ट्रक्चर का नेम भी देना होता है. तो नेम इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? ट्राइथाइल एल्यूमिनियम, टाइटेनियम टेट्राक्लोराइड. द स्ट्रक्चर एज वेल एज द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला नेम. ठीक है. So it's a special catalyst which are used to prepare a HDP polymer. So ethene is a reacted with presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst and 6 to 7 atmospheric some temperature. What we get a HDP polymers. Okay. Same here properties of what? Properties of what here? HDP. So that is a higher what tough as compared to LDP and poor conductor as well as less resistivity toward the what any chemical and so on. And the uses what as compared to LDP, the name is also L means low, D what here H means high. So it is a what soft in nature, it is a very hard in nature as compared to the what HDP. LDP is a less tough. Okay. So what we take here, it is also used in the different types of PVC pipe, strong pipe होते हैं. Then household purposes, preparation of different type of buckets, bottles, and different types of purposes. In a laboratory, also we take some types of bottle. It's hard in nature. That's why it is prepared from the what? HDP, high density poly. Clear? So simple questions आते हैं बेटा आपको. बुक में आपको नोट्स बुक में आपको पूरा दिया गया है. सिंपल आपको ये एक शॉर्ट व्यू है, ये आपको देखना है और देखने के बाद आपको नोट्स तैयार करनी है. ठीक है. सिंपल क्वेश्चंस है, सिंपल पॉइंट्स है और जो हम लोग डेली लाइफ में यूज करते हैं वही चीजें इसमें. तो सिंपल आपको स्टडी करना है, रेक्टिफिकेशन नहीं करना है. ठीक है. ओनली वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस गिवन टॉपिक. अंडरस्टैंड करना है, आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज में भी लिख सकते हैं, चलता है. ठीक है. Okay, so first we take the what? Question, vulcanization of rubber. The process explained. Who discovered this process? So Charles Goodyear, 1839. The second bit is polythene, structure of polythene, and the types of polythene, LDP and HDP, its properties and its uses. Clear? So it's all about the different types of a topic in the polymers. Clear बेटा? ओके. एनी प्रॉब्लम? इस प्रॉब्लम अगर होगी आपको तो पूछ सकते हैं आप. ठीक है. ओके. थैंक यू सो मच.